Good morning, everyone. My name is Sumit Amba, and I am teaching the subject electrical machines. So, today our topic is armature winding. So, armature winding is used in the synchronous machine. In the large synchronous machine, the stationary part is the armature. On the inner periphery of the stator core, number of slots are provided. In these slots, armature winding is placed. तो जो स्टेटर कोर होती है उसके अंदर जो इनर पेरिफेरी है उस पर स्लॉट्स कट किए जाते हैं और इन स्लॉट्स में आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग को प्लेस किया जाता है। जो लार्ज सिंक्रोनस मशीन होती है उसमें जो स्टेशनरी पार्ट है वो आर्मेचर का होता है। तो आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग की डिफरेंट टाइप्स है। जैसे सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे सिंगल फेस एंड पॉलीफेस वाइंडिंग। सिंगल फेस वाइंडिंग वो वाइंडिंग होती है जब ओनली वन वाइंडिंग इज प्लेस्ड ऑन द आर्मेचर एंड ओनली वन ईएमएफ इज ऑब्टेन्ड। जब एक ही आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग को प्लेस किया जाता है एंड ओनली वन ईएमएफ की आउटपुट निकलती है, दैट वाइंडिंग इज कॉल्ड सिंगल फेस वाइंडिंग। When more than one winding are placed on the armature and EMF induced are more than one, displaced from each other by some angle. जब more than one windings are placed on the armature and EMF induced are more than one, that winding is called polyphase winding. Concentrated and distribution winding. तो नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है concentrated winding. When one slot per pole or slots equal to number of poles are employed, the winding thus obtained are called concentrated winding. Distributed winding are those when number of slots per pole are more than one. The winding thus obtained are called distributed winding. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है वाइंडिंग सिंगल लेयर एंड डबल लेयर वाइंडिंग। when only one coil side is placed in a slot, the winding is called single layer winding. And double layer winding, when two coil sides are placed in one slot, one over the other, the winding is called double layer winding. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास फुल पिच एंड शॉर्ट पिच वाइंडिंग। फुल पिच वाइंडिंग when the two sides of the same coil are 180 electrical degree apart, the winding is called full pitch winding. Short pitch winding when the two sides of same coil are less than 180 electrical degree apart, the winding is called short pitch winding. Concentric, lap and wave winding. Concentric winding वो होती है when group of coils under a pole is arranged into a sort of concentric shape, that is when the current flow is traced through one such properly connected squirrel of that the conductors seem to form a spiral around a portion of the coil. Winding is called concentric or spiral winding. Lap winding. In a lap winding, the coil sides overlap the other consecutively and connections are made. Wave winding, the coils are always forward connected. Thank you so much.